5G with 48 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. You have three color options: green and interstellar glow. You can also choose from three memory variants as 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. Both the SIM slots support nano SIMs with 5G connections on dual standby.
6.55-inch 90Hz fluid display with 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution and 402 ppi density let you have an immersive experience. This smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor. The 48 megapixel rear camera is capable of shooting 4K or Ultra HD videos at 30 or 60 FPS. It is also equipped to shoot super slow motion videos and time-lapse. OnePlus 8 5G is powered by Oxygen operating system, which is based on Android version 10 with 2.86 GHz of clock speed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 powered by Cryo 585 CPU octa-core processor and Adreno 650. The 4300 mAh lithium-ion battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes Warp Charger 30 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable which supports USB 2.0, Quick Start Guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, pre-applied screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 8 5G 1-year manufacturer warranty on the device and 6 months manufacturer warranty on the in-box accessories including the batteries. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.